Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Khairunnisa binti Sulaiman. I'm from DTT 5CS. My matrix number is 01DIS17F1084. Today I would like to show about website attacks and countermeasure. The tools that I has been used is the low orbit ion cannon (LOIC). It performs a fairly basic TCP, UDP or HTTP DDoS attacks, and when used by multiple individuals, as is normally is a DDoS attack. The popularity comes about as it has been versioned by anonymous with an RIC-based control channel that allow people to join voluntary botnets and attack single target. Firstly, we need to open LOIC, low orbit ion cannon. This is basically put the URL, which is just we want the website, so I will get the website. This the SRD2 DIS 0218. Copy the URL and paste. So log on. So this is automatically generate the IP that get in the IP. So next, enter the IP. Log on. We need to select the attack option. Now TCP UDP message. This you can text whatever you want to display at the website. So I type hello, how are you? For the method TCP, UDP, HTTP, we can choose one from 3 these. TCP, UDP message, this is to send the message which the attack if we are using TCP or UDP attacks method. Now right, for this is port we are going to attack, so I'm gonna type the internet port which is 18. It's the standard internet port being used for HTTP attacks. That's TCP and UDP attacks for generally not for websites. They things like game server, for example, to boost people of games and so on. HTTP is used to the website. Remember, if we are using this without the own website owner consent or the server, it is illegal. So on this, like UDP, put random port in 345. Wait for a reply. We shouldn't disconnect before the server has started to answer the packet. Oh, this line is to adjust how many packet we are gonna send to. So faster is most bucket, most usage if the internet and computer, and slower is the least power. So the list of the internet in computer. So the list, so that we have got everything set how we want it. Next, click email changing Malaysia. that I have been seen, this is a request about more than 30 million requests, and it also give me a 503 error. I will just show you what that looks like, a 503 error. From my laptop it is cannot get the output. I'm sorry. I don't know why, but I'm just sorry. So we can stop flooding. As more ingenious web attacks appear on the internet, end users as well as organizations providing web service need to protect their system from being compromised, and which could in turn become a weapon to attack other machines. Appropriate action from both end user and web application are required. Guideline for web application owner. To avoid being exploited by attacks target web applications, certain technical measures can be implemented to help prevent and detect any abnormal incidents. As there is no guarantee for a perfectly secure website, a proper incident handling procedure should be implemented. It might be some time before the operator of a web application is aware that the website has been compromised or that customer security has been breached after visiting the website. In many cases, it is third party like customer who first report that the website hosting a web application might have a problem. In the case of a phishing attack, the fraudulent website is often hosted under a different jurisdiction. In addition, web-based information systems should be periodically evaluated by auditor employed by an independent, trusted third party to determine whether the minimum set of control required to contain risk at an acceptable level is being maintained. Security risk assessment should also be performed prior to any major enhancement or change to web system and or web application. For the end user, to avoid your PC being compromised and becoming a weapon to attack other machines, web application and the internet user are advised to first ensure that your operating system and key system components such as the web browser is fully patched and up to date. Second, install a personal firewall along with antivirus tools with the latest virus signature that can detect malware such as keyloggers. Third, employ different set of login and password combination for different web application and service you are. Fourth, regularly change your password in critical web application if a one-time password system is not supported. And fifth, turn off all JavaScript or ActiveX support in your web browser before you visit any unfamiliar website. That's all. Thank you.